How to prevent bed bug infestation with natural neem oil. Bed bugs are fleas that feed on warm-blooded animals including humans. As evidence of bed bugs bites, you may find signs of red, inflamed bite marks on skin or blood droplets on bedsheets. Remember, bedbug treatment is very expensive with a pest control professional, and that's the best way for a long-time solution. But this option is not affordable for people like me. So, we need some inexpensive ways for bedbugs remedy. Neem oil is a more safe and natural way to prevent bed bugs at home that you can try with. Bed bugs wrongly consume neem oil assuming as natural hormones, which ultimately block their real hormones from functioning properly. Finally, they become incapable of eating, mating, and reproducing the next generation. So, you can prevent bed bugs infestation easily using neem oil. Before starting to prevent bedbugs, you should make sure that you have a bedbug infestation. You have to find the existence of bedbugs or any symptoms. For this process you'll need 1 teaspoon neem oil, 1 teaspoon insecticidal soap, and 1 quart warm water spray bottle with plastic covering. Instructions. Number 1. Make a solution. Make a solution by mixing 1 teaspoon of neem oil, 1 teaspoon of insecticidal soap, detergent with 1 quart of warm water into a spray bottle, clean and a vacant bottle. To make it uniform solution, jerk the bottle repeatedly. Uniformity of solution is very necessary to work this method. Neem oil is available at most garden centers, nurseries, herbal stores, or even in some grocery shops also. If there is no such shop near to you, then search in Amazon. I am sure you'll find it there as almost everything is available on Amazon. Number 2. Spray the solution. Now, spray the solution of neem oil to your mattress, box springs and bed frame or anywhere bed bugs are likely to exist. Take more care to spray at baseboards, cracks, and crevices or anywhere you think bed bugs may hide. Number 3. Clean well. Clean well the surface, dresser drawers, mattresses, box springs, hangings, and closets regularly with the vacuum cleaner to prevent bed bugs. Dispose of the vacuum bag in a sealed plastic bag and throw it at an outdoor garbage container. Number 4. Clean all clothing. Clean all clothing, towels, and linens at home, and keep them in sealed plastic bags until all signs of bed bugs are disappeared. Repeat the same treatment once a week until you ensure bed bugs removed entirely. Number 5. Seal the cracks. Prevent bed bugs from entering the home by sealing cracks or crevices in the walls and wallpapers and any other places you find cracks. Tips and warnings. Apply the neem oil spray within 8 hours of prepare the solution, so that it does not begin to stop working. But keep in mind that unused neem oil can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 years with good packaging.